Well, filling the PDF document is a bit tricky, but not difficult. When you want to apply for something, filling the file for a visa, for any kind of other stuff like passport applying, or for CNIC, National Identity Card, or something like that, just do one thing, fill the document, just write fill PDF form and hit enter. You will get the results and click the Docfly here, and they will ask for the document. Upload your document here, and I got this PDF document. I am uploading. Okay, it's loading right now. Depend on the internet speed, it will bang open in few seconds. Right. Okay, now I have to do some things with that. What I need to do is I have to write the post implied. For example, click on text. That's right. Okay, adding text. Click here. I'm applying for software engineer. What are specialties I am? Okay, you can write here, for example, uh, Python, Python, Django, Django, things like that. All right. If you are not satisfied by the placement, you can accurately place it and drag it, or you can edit it and delete it as well. Okay, is it fine now? Okay, absolutely right. You can write your name here nicely. Press anything. Okay, the second type of data is these checks box. Click on a check. You can modify the strength. You can boldness of the text of the checkbox here. For example, I click 9 here, and you can also select the color. You can do any color kind of check. For example, if I select the red one and I just click here, you will get the red check over here. All right, and for example, if there are a lot of checks, you can do once for a while, everything like that. The appropriate one on the right place. Okay. Okay, the third type of stuff is insert the picture, image, and the form. Okay, I have selected this image here and it's uploading. It will take few seconds. Okay, delete the earlier one. For example, this is the file. Okay, let's do this. Click on it and place it on the right place. Okay, that's great. Now move it and make it awesome. That's great. That's the right placement. Okay, the four type of data. Okay, these are just the filings. You can write text file. You can text everything. Okay, the okay, okay. If I all right, no problem. The four type is the signature. What would you do with the signature? You can write these are all texts, but with signature you can just click on signature. You can click on upload. Click here. I have done my sign on a paper. Then I took the picture and bang it's here. Okay. I am placing it here. Oh God. Okay. It's here now. Can I just change it a bit? Okay. Okay. There is one thing before you do that. You can do one thing. Uh, you can you can just you can just make the you can just make the picture a bit more proper. I want to sweep it to the right and left. Okay, hold on. Okay, I got the sign here. Okay, I wanna want to rotate it to the okay, it's the right one. That's right. All right. All right. Come on here and click on a sign and replace it. And when I come back here, click on the sign, delete the earlier one, upload the newest one. Okay, that's done. We got limited editing stuff here, but that will be great. Click here and place it in an appropriate way. Or you can also do one thing with that. For example, you want that a bit more clear, you can open MS Paint and upload your sign there. What I'm doing, I'm just simply uploading my picture there. Hold on a second, picture, dog sign. Okay, what I have to do right now, I want to crop it. Okay, first I have click on a selection. Okay, I don't want to crop all these. If you crop it, it will disappear. Ah, that's great. A bit more. Select a bit more. Control Z. What I'm doing now, I'm making it more proper. That's great now. Then we have click as a PNG. The name is sign and okay, I'm gonna write I'm gonna sign one and click save. Let's see how it looks like right now. Okay, upload the signature, delete the earlier one, make and upload the newest one. Sign one is here. Okay, that's great. Let's just put your sign here. I think that's fantastic. Now it's more and more appropriate one. You can place it here. That's great. And the rest are all the dates and text stuff. The final step, click save, and then we have to go for download. Okay, export. And when they say export as a what, I want to download it. Okay, you have 3 export credit. Okay, when next time I will come, they will say you can only export the second document. Okay, it's done. Let's see the work. Okay, that's great. Your form will be like this. The sign is done. Hope it's helpful for you. If you have any question, put down under comment.